Hi friends, I am Tirak, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a glowing text effect on your Canva. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to create a glowing text effect in Canva? I just going to show in this video. Like this, you can create a glowing text effect. So first of all, you just need to insert a text. You just click on this text option, just insert the text and just type as glow text. Okay, we type as glow text here. So then just click this option to make this as caps, so the glow effect will be super. Then just increase the size of the text like this. So then place it on center. Now just click this and make it as a duplicate. You can choose any color for the background. After choosing this, just click on the effect option. Here you will see a lot of text styles. You just need to click on the neon. So click this. After clicking the neon, just click on the text color. You can just change to red, yellow, whatever. You just need to click on this transparency. This is a last step. You just need to decrease the glowing text effect, so according to your colors, so you will have the output like this. So you can also make a different text color. For an example, so just choose this text and just change to into blue like this. You can see, and you can just duplicate this text, and you can just create a different colors for different text like this, and you can just change the color, and also the transparency of the text should be different, so you can get the text effect like this. And you just need to separate text like this. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.